Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video of Bitcoin. There's not too much to update on, so I'm not sure if I'll keep doing these daily updates. I might just switch between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Because what you can see right now, if you look at Ethereum, that has actually still been quite bullish. And Ethereum against Bitcoin, the pair is also quite bullish. It's nearing a major bullish breakout. So I might do that, but let me know what you prefer. Right now, I still think that there's something to talk about regarding Bitcoin, regarding the market structure and my expectations. So that's what we'll do. So let's get right into it. So the technical structure for Bitcoin right now is still some sort of a bullish market structure. This reminds me a lot of what we had back in the days before we had that big crash. So right here, for example. Where you also had a very big, or not right here, I think it was earlier, I'm not sure actually when. But what you see is that the price is very much consolidating right now, but there is a slight bullish trend in it, all right? The EMAs are still moving up here, and the EMAs are also here and there still respected, while Bitcoin doesn't have the momentum it had, for example, last week. So that's the situation. But overall, if we really think about the technicals, they are bullish. And then if we take into account the fundamentals as well, we're definitely bullish, all right? So that's the situation around Bitcoin right now. Now, do I think that's going to lead to anything? I'm not sure, all right? Because a structure like this historically has really led to two things. And those two things are, well, not polar opposites, but they are very different. So that's either getting some sort of a breakdown and getting into a consolidation. I would say right now the main support level is like 63,000. It's not the first, like we have a lot of support in this region as well. But if we really start to get into a bigger consolidation, I would say that's between 63 and 69,000, which we talked about that yesterday as well. So something like that is possible, but it's also very much possible that we'll just slowly grind up here, slowly get towards the previous resistance levels at 68 and 69,000. And that we break above that whole level between 69 and 70 and move up to 75. So those are the two scenarios. And at this point of time, just to be completely honest with you, I haven't really made my mind up which one I think is most likely. Honestly, the thing which I would prefer is if Bitcoin just keeps consolidating up here, so between 65 and 68,000, while the Bitcoin dominance goes down, because that means that there's actually some opportunities on altcoins. So that would be amazing. If we look at Bitcoin in general, and if we look at the open interest we have right here, I think that will say the same as the technicals, which is that we're neutral and we're just moving sideways. But we can check that out, of course, if I can find it. Come on, guys. It's not that difficult. Like that. So if we look at that, you can see the open interest is also moving up and down here. There's a bit of, after that initial recovery, we had a bit of a sell-off. This is not bad, all right? I mean, this is actually circumstances in which we can have some sort of an altcoin rally. But that is what I think is most likely. I don't see any reason to suspect, apart from the fundamentals, but then you will get some sort of a technical indication as well. But I don't see any reason to suspect that we'll have a massive bullish breakout right now above 69 and 68,000, which is the main resistance level, which let me quickly change that to make it all a little bit more clear. So this is the main resistance level, I would argue. I see no reason why we would break above that. I think it's more likely that we'll remain neutral. We're at resistance right now. So I think it's most likely that we'll also drop slowly down towards 66 and potentially down to like 65,000. But at this moment, I also don't think 65,000 will break. We might spike down below that, but I think a consolidation in this range is most likely. And if we do get a breakout, it's going to be a bullish one. All right. But I'll keep you updated on that. For now, I think that's what you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.